Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your spine. This extraordinary column of bones and nerves that runs from the base of your pelvis all the way to the crown of your head. Your spine is your body's central support system. It holds you upright. It carries your nervous system. It allows you to stand, to move, to turn toward what matters. Notice for a moment how you're holding it right now. Are you collapsed forward, shoulders rounding, chest closing, the weight of the day pulling you down? Or are you upright, supported, open, taking up the space you deserve? As you inhale, feel your spine lengthen. Imagine each vertebrae gently separating, creating space, lifting you from the inside. And as you exhale, feel that length settle into something steady and strong, not rigid, rooted, like a tree that bends in the wind but never loses its center. Your spine is always there, always supporting you, always holding you up. Let it remind you of your own inner strength today. I am sending you so much love.